Elevate your video calls with sharp clarity and effortless setup. The best cheap web camera under $100 ensures crisp 1080p resolution, reliable autofocus, and clear audio for every meeting. Perfect for remote work, online teaching, or streaming from your home office with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Gohero Cheap Web Camera. The Gohero Cheap Web Camera delivers impressive 1080p HD clarity that makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking quality on a budget. With its wide-angle lens, this webcam captures crisp and vibrant visuals at 30 frames per second, ensuring smooth performance for video calls, live streaming, gaming, or online teaching. The picture quality is sharp and lifelike, presenting accurate color tones and dynamic details even in varying light conditions. The webcam's automatic light correction technology is another strong feature, adjusting brightness and contrast automatically to maintain optimal image quality in dim or overexposed lighting. For privacy and security, it includes a simple slide-on lens cover that gives you peace of mind when the camera is not in use. Installation is effortless, with a plug-and-play setup that works instantly via USB 2.0, 3.0, or 3.1 connections without needing additional drivers. Compatible with most operating systems, the Gohero webcam is perfect for laptops, desktops, and even OTG-supported devices. Offering a mix of convenience, clarity, and protection, this affordable webcam is ideal for users who want professional-level quality and simplicity in one reliable package. Number 2. Logitech Cheap Web Camera. The Logitech Cheap Web Camera proves that affordability doesn't have to mean compromising on quality. Delivering full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second, it produces sharp, vibrant, and well-balanced visuals that make every video call or live stream look professional. Equipped with automatic lighting adjustment and autofocus, it intelligently adapts to different lighting environments to ensure you always appear clear and well-lit, even in dim settings. This feature makes it an excellent webcam for streaming, online meetings, and casual content creation. The webcam integrates seamlessly with Logitech's advanced capture software, allowing you to easily create and share high-quality video content with customizable settings for framing and exposure. It's compatible with desktop and laptop computers, offering flexible use for gaming, streaming, or office calls. Although it doesn't include a privacy shutter, Logitech includes a 3-month XSplit VCam license for users who want to blur or replace their backgrounds during streams or meetings without needing a green screen. Compact and dependable, the Logitech Cheap Web Camera is perfect for users who want professional-level clarity and smooth performance at an affordable price, making it an all-around reliable choice for personal and professional video communication. Number 3. Elgato Facecam Cheap Web Camera. The Elgato Facecam Cheap Web Camera is a powerful tool for creators, streamers, and professionals who value precision and visual quality. Offering uncompressed 1080p 60 resolution, it delivers smooth, lifelike footage with true-to-color detail that remains sharp even in low light settings. The Facecam's HDR capability enhances clarity in high-contrast environments, ensuring balanced exposure whether you're in a bright studio or dim room. The Camera Hub software adds another layer of control, allowing users to fine-tune sharpness, contrast, saturation, and exposure settings for personalized results. This customization makes it ideal for streamers and professionals who need precise visual consistency. The webcam also features a built-in sliding privacy shutter for instant protection when not in use, maintaining peace of mind during downtime. Connectivity is simple and efficient, supporting USB 2.0 for compressed video and USB 3.0 for uncompressed high-quality output. With minimal latency and exceptional fidelity, the Elgato Facecam ensures smooth streaming and video recording without lag or distortion. Compact, reliable, and designed with creators in mind, it's the perfect webcam for anyone seeking professional performance and advanced control at a reasonable cost. Number 4. EMEET PIXY Cheap Web Camera. The EMEET PIXY cheap web camera redefines smart imaging by combining cutting-edge AI and dual-camera technology for an unparalleled video experience. As the world's first AI-powered dual-camera 4K webcam, it integrates a primary 4K imaging sensor with an auxiliary AI tracking lens, delivering exceptional clarity and intelligent motion detection. This makes it ideal for live streamers, educators, and professionals who demand flawless performance. The 3-chip intelligent tracking system offers smoother and more responsive framing than traditional models, keeping subjects centered as they move. Gesture control adds hands-free functionality, while EMEET Studio software gives users full control over presets, whiteboard detection, and framing adjustments. The privacy mode can be triggered by tilt, timer, or app control for enhanced safety. Its 3-mic array captures clean, natural sound with noise canceling and original sound modes tailored for streaming, podcasting, and virtual teaching. Offering 310-degree panning and 180-degree tilting, this webcam ensures flexibility and professional-grade framing from every angle. Perfect for creators and professionals, the EMEET PIXY brings studio-level precision and versatility to everyday virtual communication, all in a sleek, modern design. Number 5. WYRESTORM Cheap Web Camera. The WYRESTORM cheap web camera delivers premium 4K clarity with advanced AI-powered features that make it an excellent choice for business and professional users. Capable of streaming at up to 30 frames per second, this webcam captures lifelike visuals that bring meetings, classes, and virtual presentations to life. Its 120-degree ultra-wide field of view ensures everyone in the room is visible without crowding around the lens. With AI framing and presenter tracking, the camera automatically detects and centers individuals, following movements smoothly to maintain focus. Dual AI noise-canceling microphones filter out ambient distractions such as typing or background chatter, ensuring your voice is heard clearly even from up to 16 feet away. Designed for convenience, it connects easily via USB and is compatible with most conferencing platforms. Certified under FCC and CE standards, it provides peace of mind through reliable quality and durability. WYRESTORM also offers a 2-year warranty and around-the-clock support, adding exceptional value to its performance. Whether for remote meetings, webinars, or virtual classrooms, the WYRESTORM webcam ensures sharp, professional visuals and superior sound, making it one of the best budget-friendly options for high-end 4K communication and collaboration. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.